2024 has been a fantastic year for K-dramas, delivering unforgettable stories packed with romance, thrill, and heartwarming moments. From gripping thrillers to time travel romances and heartfelt slice of life tales, there's something for everyone. In this video, we are counting down the top 10 popular and must-watch Korean dramas of the year. Let's dive in. 10. The Atypical Family. The superhero formula gets a K-drama rom-com twist in The Soaring the Atypical Family. A super-powered family has lost all its superpowers, but when a con artist played by Chun Woo-hee infiltrates their home, the grown-up son played by Jung Ki-young suddenly begins to feel something again. With thrilling music cueing the return of powers and emotions to the family, an engrossing tale of romance and rebirth unfolds. In the drama, Bok Gui-joo has the ability to travel back in time, but only to happy moments from his past. Unable to change anything, he becomes depressed and loses his power. His family also loses their supernatural abilities due to modern struggles like insomnia, bulimia, and smartphone addiction. When Do Da-hee enters their lives, she begins living with them and sparks a change. 9. Mr. Plankton. Mr. Plankton is about Hee-jo, a man who finds out he was born because of a hospital mistake and recently learns he has a terminal illness. Determined to find his biological father, he sets off on a journey and drags Jamie, an unlucky woman struggling with infertility, along with him. Reluctantly traveling together, they face funny and touching moments, confront their personal struggles, and grow closer. Through their journey, they discover the value of human connection, begin to heal, and find meaning in life despite its challenges. Mr. Plankton is a must-watch drama in 2024. 8. A Killer Paradox. A most popular drama, A Killer Paradox dives into the morally grey territory of justice and revenge. Lee Tang, a bullied student, accidentally kills a serial killer and finds a newfound confidence in eliminating society's worst. But his actions draw the attention of Detective Jung, setting up a tense cat-and-mouse dynamic. With dark humor and gripping performances, this drama explores the thin line between hero and villain, making it an unforgettable psychological thriller. 7. No Gain No Love. No Gain No Love is a romantic comedy that's equal parts hilarious and heartfelt. Hee-young played by Shin Min-a, a successful woman pressured to prove her responsibility, hires part-time worker Ji-wook played by Kim Young-dae poses her husband. As their fake marriage evolves into something real, the drama explores themes of societal expectations and personal growth. With memorable supporting characters and laugh-out-loud moments including a home invasion involving unexpected items, this drama is a delightful watch from start to finish. There's a lot going on in these 12 episodes, with some of the best scenes centered on Hee-young's best friends. One writes racy web novels, while the other is in an open relationship. 6. A Shop for Killers. If you love adrenaline-pumping thrillers, A Shop for Killers is the perfect pick. Lee Dong-wook stars as a retired assassin running a seemingly innocent online store. After his death, his niece discovers his secret double life and becomes the target of his enemies. Armed with the lessons her uncle taught her, she navigates this dangerous world with grit and determination. Packed with intense action sequences and emotional depth, this drama is a thrilling exploration of family, legacy, and survival. 5. Marry My Husband. Marry My Husband is most popular a revenge drama with a twist of humor and time travel. In the drama, office worker Ji-won played by Park Min-young is married and has a stable job with a loyal best friend who is there for her during her cancer treatments, discovers her husband and best friend's betrayal. After a tragic end, she wakes up in the past and decides to rewrite her destiny. With a mix of intrigue, empowerment, and witty moments like a playful nod to BTS, future hits, this drama is a fast-paced rollercoaster. Ji-won's journey to reclaim her life and exact revenge makes for an empowering and satisfying watch. 4. Queen of Tears. Emotional, dramatic, and unforgettable, Queen of Tears is a quintessential K-drama that keeps you hooked. Hyun-woo, a humble man married to Hee-in, the daughter of a powerful chaebol family, struggles under the weight of their marriage. When Hee-in is diagnosed with a terminal illness, their icy relationship begins to thaw, leading to a transformative journey of love and forgiveness. Packed with classic K-drama tropes like memory loss, overbearing parents, and emotional redemption, this series is both heart-wrenching and heartwarming. Get your tissues ready. 3. Family by Choice. Family by Choice is a heartwarming and lovely slice of life series addresses what makes a family. 3 biologically unrelated children are motherless. Ju-won, Hee-jun, and San-ha are 3 children bound not by blood but by shared experiences of loss and love. Ju-won's father steps in as a parental figure for Hee-jun, while San-ha, who lives one floor above, becomes an inseparable part of their lives. As romantic feelings emerge between Ju-won and one of her brothers, the drama sensitively explores the complexities of love, grief, and changing dynamics within their chosen family. It's a touching and beautifully crafted story that tugs at your heartstrings. 2. Lovely Runner. Next up is Lovely Runner, a poignant time travel romance that explores themes of resilience and second chances. Sol, a young woman confined to a wheelchair in an ableist society, discovers a mysterious time portal that sends her back to her high school days. There, she meets Sanjay, a K-pop idol battling the pressures of stardom. Together, they try to prevent inevitable tragedies, including a chilling serial killer subplot. This drama delves into sensitive topics like disability, mental health, and suicide, all while delivering an emotional and compelling love story. With stellar performances and a unique premise, it's a drama that stays with you long after the credits roll. 1. When the Phone Rings. When the Phone Rings is an edge-of-your-seat thriller that keeps you guessing until the very end. Bak Sa-eon, a successful politician, receives a harrowing call from a kidnapper demanding ransom for his wife, Hong Hee-ju. What starts as a race against time unravels into a complex web of secrets from their past, shaking the very foundation of their relationship. This drama masterfully combines suspense, emotional depth, and gripping plot twists, all while exploring themes of vulnerability, forgiveness, and rekindled love. Perfect for fans of high-stakes dramas with emotional payoffs, this one is not to be missed. When the Phone Rings is a must-watch and most popular Korean drama in 2024 all over the world. That's our list of the top 10 popular and must-watch Korean dramas of 2024. Which one are you most excited to watch? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more K-drama recommendations. Until next time, happy binge watching.